Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to let you know how we can declare two variables and hold the value into two variables, and I will utilize the arithmetic calculations. Arithmetic calculation means mathematical calculation like plus, minus, division, multiplication, this type of calculation, how we can utilize with variables value. So my first example is here I have hold 20. In b variable I have hold 30. So here in third variable c equal to a plus b. A is 20, b is 30. So your output will be 50 of c variable. And then I have taken output of c variable using print function. So same example I will do here. So see here, length equal to 20, breadth equal to 50, and in area variable I have taken multiplication of length and breadth. Print area. So here I have taken whatever calculation I have taken through the length multiply by breadth, it will store into area, and then I will take output of the area variable. So same example I'm going to do. So here I'm just writing. So I'm just ignoring it. So I just did, and here I'm holding a equal to 20, and I have taken terminator. This is a semicolon, which is a terminator, and I have taken b equal to 30. Then enter, and c equal to a plus b, and what I have stored into C. C is A plus B. A is 20, B is 30. So 20 plus 30 will be 50 stored into C. Then I will take output of the C variable using print statement. So I'm taking here print function, and here I'm just typing C variable and control enter. So control enter means I have executed this code. Now you can see here your output is 50. You can execute your code through this run statement as well. So your output will be same, but here I'm just taking another cell. So now I'm taking second example. Second example, I have taken len. Okay, len equal to 20, and I have taken terminator here. Then I will take here breadth equal to 30. Then I will take here area equal to len multiply by breadth. See here. Now I will take here print. Then I will print the value of area. So see here, as of now, I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? Maybe I have not written correct spelling. So see here, I'm just taking len. See here. Oh, yes, this is was error. So see here, now your output is 600. Okay. Now I will take another cell. I will take another example. So here I'm taking len equal to 30, breadth equal to 50. Then I want to take here calculations as a addition. So what I have to do, you need to take here, I'm taking here my output is the name of the variable, and here I will store len. Here I'm writing length, th length. You can write down any variable name. It's not mandatory. Whatever I'm writing, you have to write same thing. Okay. Then you have to do plus, and then you have to take brath. Now you have to take here print my output. So here you need to take my output in a small letter. Then see here, output is 80. 50 plus 30 is 80 as a output. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.